Heavy-duty commercial-grade microwave ideal for full-service and fast food restaurants, convenience stores, offices, hotels, cafeterias, breakrooms and other business-related settings, plus heavy home or dorm room usage. Bottom energy feed system for fast cooking results 1000 watts power, and 0.8 cubic foot capacity. Energy travels less distance to reach the food, for increased efficiency in heating dinner plates, large casserole dishes, coffee mugs and other common kitchenware. No hassle grab-and-go handle ensures fast, smooth, long-lasting performance. Also features see-through oven door, interior light, anti-theft component, tone control and self-diagnostics. Touch control keypad with braille programmable and manual operation provides 10 programmable memory pads and 20 memory capability plus 99:99 minute capacity, presets from 10 seconds up to 330 minutes, 6 power levels and program list/cycle counter. Compact, space-saving design occupies minimal space on a countertop or table. Exterior dimensions, HXWXD, 12-inch x 20 and 1/8 inch x 16.5 inch, interior, 8 and 1/16 inch by 13 inch by 13 inch. The Panasonic NE1054F heavy-duty commercial-grade microwave occupies minimal space on a countertop or table, ideal for full-service and fast food restaurants, convenience stores, offices, hotels, cafeterias, breakrooms and other business-related settings, plus heavy home or dorm room usage. Equipped with 1000 watts power and a convenient 0.8 cubic foot interior capacity, this Panasonic commercial microwave oven features a bottom energy feed system and no turntable designed to bring foods closer to the cooking source for quicker heating for a variety of menu items, like dinner plates, large casserole dishes, glass bowls, coffee mugs and other common kitchenware used for heating and cooking. This commercial microwave oven store is unique, without the hassle of moving parts like those found in push-button doors or trigger-activated handles. Panasonic's grab-and-go door handle is bonded to the stainless steel door to ensure fast, reliable performance and long-lasting durability, perfect for high-usage applications. Top reviews from the United States. Great unit. I'm 53 and have used many microwaves. I've had this unit for several years now and love it. It's easy to clean, is well constructed and the simple knob controller is brilliant. The base of this thing is heavy. I think it's ceramic or something, maybe the specs say. I do not defrost meat in this, but I don't think any microwave defrosts meat properly personally. The unit heats things fairly evenly and quickly. We use the microwave for all the basic needs, heat drinks and soups and liquids, defrost frozen foods like tater tots etc. Pre-toaster oven, cook veggies, cook frozen dinners/product, reheat leftovers, things like that. The timer maxes out at 6 minutes, however, all you have to do is open and close the door quickly to reset and turn the knob if you need more time, which is rare for our uses. For me, I found that the preset buttons never performed on other microwaves, so I stopped using them long ago. This countertop unit allowed me to install a range hood over my stove while taking up little counter space. I highly recommend this product for those who don't find preset buttons useful. Why do you need a popcorn button for another $400?